Welcome to Magician Technical Training Hub, powered by Dice Control. Today we will practice machine learning's one of the type supervised learning using scikit-learn package. We will understand every program step by step, write the code together and learn the concepts behind it. Let's get started. In order to start the program, we have to switch into the Visual Studio Code and then we have to create a file called as install_scikit.py. The name is up to the user or a practitioner. Here, since my intention for this program is to make the system ready for ML, I have used install_scikit.py. Here, the first thing as a machine learning programmer, we should install some of the packages. So, what are those packages? Those packages are like scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas and SciPy. So, first thing we are going to install this command, this libraries in our system. So, here the command is pip. Pip is nothing but Python's install package manager library, which is going to install for us scikit-learn, NumPy, Pandas and SciPy. Scikit-learn is a library for machine learning which holds the algorithms and then some of the concepts which will make the model ready to use. And then NumPy we are installing this NumPy. Suppose if you want to do any numeric computation, then this NumPy library is going to help us. Pandas is to handle the data. Python has provided this library and SciPy is for the scientific calculations. Now we have installed the libraries. Let us start with the code. We have to import the library. So we are importing the library called Skylearn. Here, think this as your university. Okay, in university you will be having lot of branches. So we are going to master one of the branches now. Data set. Okay, Skylearn data set. Here we have something called as import load iris. It is nothing but Python's the Skylearn is having an inbuilt database called as load iris, where 150 flowers botanical details has been stored. For our ML journey, we are going to practice the concepts by using this iris database. Now, what we have to do, as our agenda in this program is to see what are the installations we have done and then Skylearn's package version, as well as we need to load this iris data set and then we have to print the shapes of the flower in this iris data set. So I would like to write one small function in the Python that is nothing but verify installation. Here what I am doing, I would like to know the Skylearn's version. I would like to know iris data shapes and then I would like to load this iris into this data set database into the iris variable. So here in Python or in any programming language, if you are telling a variable, it is a temporary unit or a storage which will temporarily hold the user's data. Here iris is our variable, user defined variable, which is going to load the data from load iris. Then from where this load iris is coming, because of we have imported that load iris database. Now once this is done, we would like to execute this function and see. So for that we have something called as, we have to call this function. So here we have some special line. Here we are checking the condition if underscore name equal to my main underscore main. Here iris is like I defined or user defined variable which will store the user's data, whereas underscore name is like a variable for special variables which has been created by the Python itself. Here this is nothing but it is going to tell file name and then whether the file is equal to main method to start the main value to start the program. Since I don't have any other programs or I am not building any complete application as of today, yes, this is the file where my execution will start. Okay, now as I completed my coding. I would like to run this code in my terminal. What I have to do, I have to use the command to run this program. Before that, we have to save this program and then we have to write a command where it will start from the py. Py is nothing but Python and my version is 3.13 and then my file name I have given is install skykit.py. Install skykit, it's like my agenda for this program is to set up my machine for the future classes. So the file name I have given as a install skykit. It's up to the user or a practitioner can use the file name as per their requirement. Now I'm going to execute. So what I have to do, I have to be in the same directory where my program has been written. My program has been written within this linear regression folder. So I am entering into the linear regression folder and then now I am running my program. It will take few seconds to give the program output. Yes, my scikit-learn version is 1.9.0 and iris dataset feature shape is 150,4. What is this? In depth we are going to explore in the future classes. Thank you.